Before you start collecting leads and generating sales, here's a quick tour to help you find your way around the RevenueHunt app. To switch to the new version, click Switch to Built for Shopify and follow the steps to grant the necessary permissions. Ready to build your first quiz? Click Add New Quiz to create a project. You can start from scratch or jumpstart your quiz using the Quiz Copilot AI Assistant or one of our pre-designed templates. Next, head over to Quiz Builder, Questions to begin. Click the plus icon to add a new question, choose a question type, and start editing. You can drag and drop questions to rearrange them and use the side menu to adjust settings, like making a question optional or allowing multiple answers. Want to personalize the experience even more? Use Logic to make smarter recommendations, link answers to different result pages, or guide users down unique question paths based on how they respond. Now let's move on to design. In the theme gallery, you'll find ready-made themes to choose from, or you can create your own. Update fonts, button colors, and background images. Customize animations and transitions, or go further with your own CSS to perfectly match your store's branding. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. Now let's talk about products. You can assign products or collections to each answer choice. RevenueHunt uses a voting system. Products are linked to each choice, and every time a customer selects an answer, those linked products get a vote. At the end of the quiz, the results page shows the top voted products first, sorted by the number of votes. Alternatively, you can use display logic to set up conditions for when certain fixed content or products should be visible on the results page. Speaking of results, don't forget to customize your results page. Add helpful information, choose how many products to recommend, or group items into slots to suggest full bundles or routines. On the left, you'll also see the success checklist. It helps you track your progress and make sure everything is set up correctly. When you're ready to go live, head to the Publish section. From your quiz dashboard, you'll find instructions to embed your quiz on your website, whether that's through a menu link, a Take the Quiz button, or inline on a page. In app settings, you can choose a default quiz for each Shopify market and language you've set up in your store, ensuring a personalized experience for every customer. Want to level up even more? Check out the Integrations tab to connect your quiz with platforms like Klaviyo, Zapier, or Metapixel. Just select the tool and click Connect. Curious about performance? Open Analytics to see an overview of your quiz activity, like how many people completed it or made a purchase. Then head to Responses to dive into individual answers and see what was recommended and why. You can also export all quiz data to a CSV file with one click. And that's the RevenueHunt app. If you need more help, open the Quiz Copilot chat or visit the support section for resources, tips, and answers to common questions. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.